How do federal laws impact daily life in your state? Imagine waking up and knowing that laws made for a way influence your day from the moment you get out of bed. Federal laws shape many parts of life in your state, even if you don't see them directly. They set the rules for things like minimum wages, environmental protections, and health programs. For example, the federal government establishes a minimum wage that all states must follow, but states can choose to pay workers more if they want. States have their own powers too, called reserved powers, which are protected under the 10th Amendment. These include managing local schools, running elections, and controlling public health. Federal laws don't directly tell states how to do these things but can influence them through funding. For instance, federal highway funds are often tied to states raising the legal drinking age to 21. Sometimes states go beyond federal rules or even challenge them. A good example is marijuana laws. Several states have legalized and regulated marijuana for recreational use, even though federal law still bans it. These states create their own rules for growing, selling, and taxing marijuana, showing they can exercise independence within the federal system. Federal laws also play a big role in health care. The Affordable Care Act set national standards for health insurance but depended on states to expand Medicaid and create health insurance exchanges. Some states chose to expand Medicaid, giving more people access to health care, while others did not, which affected how many residents could get coverage. Education and environmental policies are also impacted. Federal laws set minimum standards, but states often go further. California, for example, has stricter air pollution rules than federal regulations, which affects businesses and residents. These differences can sometimes make things more complicated or costly for people and companies. In short, federal laws give a foundation that influences many parts of daily life. But states have the power to shape policies based on local needs and preferences. This mix of rules and choices creates a diverse and dynamic system where national standards coexist with state-specific policies.